Two main parts of content marketing is to create content and also to distribute it. So one thing I want you to take note as a business, as a student, or as a brand is that first of all, you have to create a content, and the content should be that which people want to consume. Hi, welcome to another episode on Social Giant Global. My name is Gas, and today I'm here to take you through some basic knowledge in content marketing. You know, content marketing is one of the things that companies leverage on in terms of digital marketing to actually reach out to a wider audience and also to get their services and products out there for new prospects or for prospects to actually purchase and also patronize. Let me take you through what you need to know about content marketing. Content marketing is the process of creating, distributing, or sharing content to reach a target audience. In other terms, it's a content created to attract customers and also retain customers. Some also may say it is a channel of digital marketing where companies or brands leverage on to create content and also to distribute in order to increase brand awareness, make sales, increase engagement and loyalty. So you can check my previous video on digital marketing. I made mention of some of the stuff that you do as far as content marketing is concerned. And they are creating of blogs, videos, apps, online courses, free tools, social media, podcasts, memes, infographics, templates, and also checklists. Others also create ebooks as a form of content which is used in marketing. So in basic terms, content marketing is content that sells. I hope you got that. It's simple. Two main parts of content marketing is to create content and also to distribute it. So one thing I want you to take note as a business, as a student, or as a brand is that first of all, you have to create a content, and the content should be that which people want to consume. So if you are a business or entrepreneur, you have to know that your content that you create must be able to attract and also retain customers. So the main objective of creating a content is to get the content reach out to audience, be able to attract the audience and retain them. I want to show you what gets content up there in searches to help brands reach out to prospects. And this is SEOs, which is search engine optimization. I want to show you 3 basic steps of SEOs. Stay tuned. Let's talk about SEOs. SEOs is what gets brands in your searches. Talking about basic steps in SEO, as a brand or as a business, what you need to do to get your product or your services out there in searches is what I'm about to show you. Stay connected, fingers crossed. These are the 3 steps of SEOs. 1, identify or figure out topics that are relevant to your business and capitalize on those topics, talk about them, solve issues about those topics using keyword research. Number 2, create the right content. Create content that meets the searcher's need. If I don't need a particular product, I will not go on Google to search for it. So you have to make provisions or put out content that people are continuously searching out for online. Number 3, promote your content. So what I always advise is that promote content first of all with channels available to you. So channels that are available to you is your social media platform and your blogs and website. So make sure you post content about your brand, your product, or services on your social media platforms or social media account regularly to get people talking about you and also engaging on your post. Then again, you can send out newsletters to emails that you've put together and also reach out to them. One other thing that you can do with regards to starting with channels available to you is also sharing your content to public groups or social groups. It's either you're sharing your content to the public groups or sharing links of your content to public groups for they to access it and reach out to know what you are offering. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your growth as you keep on watching content from Social Giant Global. Like the video, join this family by subscribing. Make sure you do that before you move on to the next video. Subscribe to this channel and stay connected. My name is Gas, and see you another time.